Okay, what will we do? We will complete the beach. Okay, select boat. Boat. Yes, select boat. Where will we put boat? In the water. Very good. Okay, select now. Select trees. Palm trees. Where will we put the trees? Yes, over here. Wait. Here. Wow. And put these one. Okay, select tower. Lighthouse. Yes. Put it here. Here. Okay. What do we select? What do we have to select now? Castle. Mud castle. Okay, it's made of mud. Yes, put it here. Okay, now umbrella for sunbathing. This one. Here. Oops. Yeah. Drag it. First you have to select it and then drag it. Oh, wait. Yes. Here. Okay, that's great. So wait. Let's bring the castle over here. This over here. And what else can we do? We can also place a yacht. Where can we put the yacht? Over here. Here. Select it. Yes, in the water. Yes. Let's move the ship over here. Put the yacht over here. Oh, sun. Put the sun in the sky. Yes, over here. Okay, let's see what else have we got. Balls. Put a ball. Yes. On the beach. Yes, put it on the beach. Yes, over here. Okay, let's see what else have we got. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, starfish. Put it here, near the water. No, not in the water. It's near water. And CP. Put it here. Okay, these are all beach things. Birds. Put them in the sky. Put the birds in the sky. In the sky over here. Yes. Okay. Yes, in the sky. Then you can select whale. Where does whale live? It lives in the water. Yes. Okay. You can also select dolphin. Yes, in the water. Yes. You can select seahorse. Yes, put it in the water. Yes, put it here. That's great. We completed the beach, right? Did you enjoy it?